Hi, I'm Ryan Nickel, CTO at DSA Ocean, and today we're going to talk about how to get started and up and running with ProteusDS. So the first thing that you can do is go to the ProteusDS.com website, and we're going to download and install the software. So under support, you'll see download software, and the first step is download the software. Just take us a second to download, and when it's done, we're going to install it. Obviously, you'll need administration privileges to install the software. You can install over an existing installation. This is also how you would update the software when a new release is available. So that's all done. Now, you'll see the rest of the steps on activating the software. You have to do some additional steps here. The main key thing here is to work with ProteusDS Subscription Manager. So what we're going to do is just in the Windows Start menu here is type ProteusDS Subscription Manager, and you'll see it pop up there. We pretty much do everything else that we need to do here. You can see I already have an activation code set up here, but otherwise you would see subscription is not active. What you need to do, step one here, is get your computer ID. So we'll click generate, and this is a unique fingerprint based on the computer that you're using and you're going to run ProteusDS on. So you can click this button to just copy that text. And then you want to submit this to the form on our website for software activation. So you can click the link here. I mean, this is step 2 here. Basically, go to visit the website. This is a request activation code, and this page is, again, you can find this under support request activation code here. Depending on what you want, free access, fully functional demo of the software, or you already have a license, what you want to do is just fill in your information here. So Ryan Nickel, Ryan at DSAOcean.com. And then here you can hit Control V or paste in the computer ID text there. We'll put in your phone number, your organization, and the problem you're trying to work on, moorings, any tool sets you're interested in, and the little CAPTCHA code there and request activation code. You should see this green check mark, and you should see a ticket show up in your email. And if you don't see a ticket in your email where we're going to respond to you with your activation code, make sure you check your spam folder. So our team will review this and generate your activation code for you. It usually takes 1 to 2 business days, so you need to be patient, but wait for the activation code, and I'll show you in the next step here how to apply it. Okay, so after a few business days, you'll see an email from our support team. It looks like this: subject line activation code request, and you'll see some steps here that you can follow, which I'm going to show you, and as well as the when the activation code will require renewal. So what you want to do is select all of this text. This text is your unique activation code, and hit Control C or right click and go copy. And we'll need to paste this into ProteusDS Subscription Manager. There it is. And here's where you go apply now. So we go apply, paste this in here, apply, and you'll see I've got the same expiry date as indicated, well, off by a day, in the email, and then which tool sets we have a subscription for. So now that you've activated the software, you should see a green bar here. It says status subscription active. What you can do is open ProteusDS Oceanographic Designer, start working with it. Depending on the tool sets that you've got, everybody should have access to ProteusDS Simulation Toolbox. You can start working with this and setting up scenarios and things like that. So hopefully this helps you get started. This is what you'll need to do as well each year to get a new activation code, whether you're using the free software or a demo or a commercial software. All right, thanks for watching.